This setup is going to be all over the place. Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to be doing the weekly setup in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy. This is the Stalogy, which is actually a notebook that I'm using as a planner. The cover is raspberry leather. It is from MLG Co. I will link to them in the description box below and include my discount code as well. So for the month of July, part of July and all of August, I planned ahead and did all of my weekly setups. I've also done my monthly setup for September. Brights, I'm on a brights kick right now since we're at the end of summer and I'm not quite ready for fall yet. So I'm using brights, trying to get those in before we get officially into fall. So I'm going to be setting up the week of September 5th through 11th. I have these leftover stickers from A Little Spark that I need to use, and they are brights, so I thought I would use those. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing daily pages, but I pulled out multiple dolls in case I do, so that I can have dolls on each spread. And they are summery. Again, we are still in summer, so I'm using those, and I'm thinking, I'm still not sure if I'm going to do daily pages or not in this. So I'm deciding, and this is going to be my decision maker here. So I have these inserts that I had in my discbound planner that I have not used, and it's just a different variety of them. So I want to see if I can trim these down. Will they fit? No, they will not fit. So I can't use those. Fiddlesticks. Okay, so I think I'm going to do some type of daily pages. Oh, and this is the washi that I pulled, by the way. It looks very Halloween-y to me, but it also goes well with the stickers, so I figured it would be okay, even though that's quite pink. It's a lot of orange and yellow going on, so we shall see. Where do I want to start? I'm going to start by putting down some washi, and I'm just going to do like a free flow type of thing instead of trying to be 100% accurate with it. I think I want to use these. These are from Piper Paper Company. I got a feeling this spread is going to be, or this setup is going to be all over the place. Just use this week's sticker. Okay, I put this tape in the wrong place. Let's move it over. So now I'm going to use some date stickers. Let's see how I'm going to do this. Okay, so that's our headers. I'm not sure I'm gonna do footers. Let me think. For this week, let's use the checklist here. And then for payday, it's Wednesday. I'm going to put that down. I don't know how I want to do that. Let's do it over here. Nope. Let's put it right there in the middle. I'm going to put laundry never end here. Tuesday, and then trash day is Thursday. Got an appointment on Tuesday, so I'm going to use this and one of these appointment style stickers. Let's use the yellow. So let's put the little cleaning thing on Thursday. And I guess I'll put the TVs on Friday and Saturday. No. Let's move that to Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to put a sleep in on Sunday. I'm going to put the work for the laptop on. I should put that on Tuesday, but it's Monday and I'm doing it now. So let's put it on Monday. I'm just trying to use everything that I can. We went and got smoothies this morning. That's not coffee though. Okay, so I think that is pretty much it from those stickers that I can use. So I'm gonna put relax right there. All right, so I'm not gonna use these. Let's see, I don't think I'm gonna use any of that. Let's use a few of these stickers here. Let's put something on the other days. I got this all messed up. I was just trying to use up as many of those stickers as I could. So now let's put down some of these dolls, and I don't think these dolls go anymore. They just don't match. So, because I didn't use any of the blue, so I may have to use some different dolls. So those are all COCO'S Vision. So I'm going to stick with COCO'S Vision for this. And see what I can find that works. So I'm going to use her. I guess I'll use her. Okay, and her. All right, so let's put these back. We're not using those because our color scheme just doesn't go with that. So I'm going to use her here. And use her here, even though she looks cuter for the weekend. And I think I need one more doll. She's going on the weekend. Let's put her here. So that's a COCO'S Vision sheet complete. Well, that's two. Let's see if I can find one for Thursday and Friday in the COCO'S Vision sticker books. If you haven't grabbed your sticker book, you might want to grab one before they are gone. Can I use her? There's no pink though, but she might be my last resort. I like her. Let's use her. She looks summery and orange. Okay. Even though she's glossy and everything else isn't, I can live with that. Now I'm rethinking my footer decision. Should I put the black and white down there? Or should I put the, I don't know, that black and white is kind of nice. Let's just do it. It doesn't match, it doesn't go with anything, but I kind of like it. Wednesday doesn't want to stick, so let's put a little glue stick on that. And let's do this. So this is the week of the 5th through the 11th in my everyday planner. I did daily pages, and this is what they look like. The drip washi is from Cookie Sticker Co. The bow washi is from Simply Gilded. The dolls are from COCO'S Vision, and the other stickers are from A Little Spark Kits. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.